Welcome to your guide to the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL Indoor Griddle and Grill, the only griddle and grill combo with Pro Temp IQ technology. Whether you're grilling or griddling, the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL ensures consistent edge-to-edge heat across the entire 20-inch cooking surface, making it perfect for everything from juicy burgers to sizzling steaks to fluffy pancakes. This powerful appliance is designed to give you edge-to-edge 500-degree heat, so you can get the perfect grill marks and sear every time, all year round, without stepping outside. Thanks to Pro Temp IQ, this unit uses smart preheat detection to get you up to the perfect temperature, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in just 9 minutes. It tells you exactly when it's ready with a simple Add Food notification, so you never have to guess. The Mode button lets you easily toggle between grill and griddle, with easy low, medium, high settings and custom temp, allowing you to dial in your perfect temperature. The Precision Temp display shows you the exact temperature or setting you've dialed in. The Smart Dial allows you to fine-tune both temperature and cooking time for a precise cook every time. The Ninja Sizzle Pro XL is incredibly easy to use. Here's how to get started with your cooking. To use the griddle function, simply press the power button to turn on the unit. Then use the Mode button to select grill or griddle. You'll see a display for low, medium, or high settings for both functions. For griddling, select medium to get the perfect balance of heat for cooking foods like pancakes, eggs, or even smash burgers. The Precision Temp display will show medium as the unit heats up. And once it's preheated, you'll see the message Add Food to let you know it's ready. Now, place your food on the cooking surface. Thanks to the Pro Temp IQ technology, the griddle plate heats evenly across the entire surface, ensuring consistent browning, even on a crowded grill or griddle. No more hot spots or undercooked areas, just perfect griddling, edge to edge. For more control over your cooking, you can use the Custom Temp function. Here's how. Press the power button to turn on the unit. Then press the Mode button and select Custom Temp. This allows you to dial in your exact cooking temperature to the degree. Let's say you want to cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply adjust the Smart Dial to that exact temperature. Then, set your cook time using the dial and press Start to begin cooking. The unit will preheat, and once it's at the perfect temperature, you'll see Add Food on the display. For example, when cooking burgers, just add the patties to the griddle, press them down, and cook for a few minutes on each side. Once done, you'll have perfectly cooked burgers with a crispy, flavorful exterior. With Pro Temp IQ, the temperature is intelligently maintained throughout the cooking process, so you'll get even cooking and perfectly juicy results every time. While this cooks, let's go over everything you get with the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL to make sure you're fully equipped to create amazing meals every time. With the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL, you'll receive a 20-inch non-stick grill plate and a griddle plate, both made PFAS-free and designed for even edge-to-edge heat distribution. These plates are interchangeable, so you can easily switch between grilling or griddling, depending on what you're cooking. Both the grill and griddle plates are non-stick, making cleanup effortless. Whether you're cooking greasy bacon or sticky sauces, you can easily collect the mess in the grease tray, or simply rinse and wipe the plates clean. The unit also features a detachable ventilated lid, which helps to reduce splatter while cooking. This lid is easy to remove, so it's simple to clean and maintain after each cook. Another great feature is the grease tray, which catches excess grease and drippings, keeping your cooking area clean. Pro tip: be sure to clean the grease tray after each use to prevent buildup and maintain optimal performance. And with Pro Temp IQ technology, you can rest assured that the unit will automatically adjust and maintain the perfect temperature for grilling or griddling. The Precision Temp display clearly shows your selected settings, ensuring you cook with precision every time. Everything you need to get cooking and clean up in no time, right out of the box. And just like that, you've got perfectly cooked burgers with crispy edges, juicy centers, and melted cheese on top, all thanks to the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL Indoor Griddle and Grill. For more tips, recipes, and detailed information, be sure to check out the inspiration guide that's included with your unit, or or visit us at ninjakitchen.com.